Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into Joystep, the fitness app that promises you can walk to earn real cash. The concept sounds great. Track your steps, complete tasks, watch ads, and earn coins that convert to money. But when you look closer, the reality is more complicated. According to the app, you need millions of coins to withdraw a modest payout, and users report that earning coins is painfully slow. Many also highlight that the in-app ads dominate gameplay, with constant interruptions, making it feel more like an advertising platform than a fitness reward system. Withdrawal attempts seem hit or miss. Numerous reviews indicate that even after reaching the coin requirement, cash outs are delayed or blocked, and support responses are slow or unhelpful. This raises serious doubts about the reliability of its earning system. The coin to cash conversion is opaque, and there's little proof of consistent payouts from verified users. On the positive side, the app tracks steps accurately, provides a clear interface, and may motivate people to walk more. So if your goal is improving fitness and staying active, Joystep can be useful. However, if your goal is to earn real money from walking, it's likely you'll face disappointment. The business model relies heavily on ad revenue, not genuine user payouts. Verdict: Joystep is a functional step tracker and fitness companion, but its earning promises are overstated. Treat it as a tool to stay active, not as a source of income. Approach withdrawals with caution, and don't invest too much time expecting significant earnings.